Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoroisia ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil ya buigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati gwikari guri iriya bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores ugiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Uya kingimo mwancho mo ligerali naende karibu ase nsameiga ya kabere agose kiongachi nsainye je ni gongoro kwaro ni ototo nyangiri otogubatara na rakura nsamwe manyerili niga korokwa Veneza nyaboke na nigo togo chiko chaka ya masa ya mekiongachi nsanyo mwancho mo ligerali nengana gwichani akorwa ase chinse mochi ya marani ase mosbati yomo atoka gosoma bero mosbati yomo otoka asoroche korene chingo machintindi ase amate ya nyale ko kuboli botukikona kiwa eli banyako babako manyanga ngikerete ugosira ku mosbati yo mulikito Daniel Ontiri nigatorero robot rwasenjera yabwekirana
Amayenda nigabwatetense omugasolero ase kenyole kiga kya marani tongo imiye kaunti ya Kisii watekana negekole kiga gyokogosa nyegosira Lucy Kirubo akora oyole omunchulia asensemo ya marani nigegotebekana asogete koroinka sobo chinsa cha magoroba abo litukolegoro kali nabasani baye bandi bobere nakurwa chinga kecho tachete koirana wika chinga ki bacha korangirwa buna umubere bumosbati gotokire asoroche asensemo ya mbanda korusire chiangana ni gorenge ne chingoma chintindi asomotwe
omwana ne garo kamrogoba cyarenge chinsa 12 nenusu bakarwa abaturi mbono musbati yomo no mumuro yomo chibate kureza itikoira na bakabona igatokire gakurete roche akamenya kwa ya meta igarenge boye bakagosana ne akamu na muramu mwabo mwako na sirete Wana muna meta alio kalio katore matuka ora menyira matuka mange no amete katore nere na bana ba no bala baka bona muna tukususa kwa e
ndu atwai katwanyoro bekiru mochari mwana oitabe getianga igabetire meyo amaiso ama no munu yo koranga nigo ochechiro utoire wono na maiso ga abitire emeyo igari mbanda maata otwate gunga to kambanda ase chika ucha society obole mobune society egorete no twate bigunga no atoka gago
amatea yateabona basirire umusubati urenge bumukia na bwirwete hase gokinia bana bae baburia bono ubutuki kwango igwa
etogosaba serikali yaite soegati etokonye tumanyo bwene bumwana yotigira abana na mochokoro no ali konyenero batenirete one togusinyunga ngakibono baguchakoba konyenero bokonyi bwao
mubero nyagusira ne gorusi wa sensemeyo nabo bisa babanyimbo chinga kya bamenya bange barolekana kugikalie gakoreke nebinde binge ebyarelekanire komentekana asensemeiga na mono ha samatuka bwango iga bakwanira okugania kubo bisa babanyimbo koboka kurwase chitoro eliko keania ebikole bingabo nebiga kuroiga se ward ya Marani hase kaunti ya Kisii meyebonge ya Kitutu Church North Ritrene ngoroko Daniel Untiri
na humancho mo ligere to gotikana nayo nigo muna chebina omokoro omoske David Kenani Maraga anyaka baga kobolyo muraibu ense omoske William Ruto ko muki gatambokero na gotenania obostalifu abanyanyimbo limolioka asanje ko baga goteba huna nigo muraibu ense omoske William Ruto abata chinguru chiabene aisikugania ko muki gatambokero bunekyo boigo ningana anyaka baga gosegetwa amo nomo konyo muraibu ense omokoro ojuboigo ole omuraibu kiama kya Wiper omoske Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka chinya ichinga kibanyako abakumirana kanisa ya masabo ase umuruburi wa masabo gosabera anemo no basai bali banyaka bakubwaterani kwa hamo nebekole biri kusino korobekana goli wa agency abo abange baba basirije mange mabo na bande kanyora chingo machitindi.
Mine is a short message. First, I want to thank the judges for this service. This coming together as churches is to tell everybody that the Gen Zs who died and who are being killed are our children. And we can't stand idle and watch as they die. Number two, I have one short message to President Ruto. President Ruto, the ultimate security and welfare of the people of Kenya rests in your hands. Please don't send us to the state where Haiti is. When you allow goons to come and disperse peaceful demonstrators on the streets, you are sending us to Haiti. Please stop that. You have the ability to stop. If you wanted to stop it, you will stop it even today.
It is part of our history, and so although the canon says the second anniversary, but I think to a majority of Kenyans, they will remember that the 25th of June last year was the day when Kenyans, under the Constitution 2010, chose to exercise their sovereign rights. Because Article 1 of the Constitution, I think the canon was referring to Article 37, says that sovereign power belongs to the people. And the people can choose to exercise it either directly or through their elected representatives. All the young Kenyans did last year on the 25th of June was to petition their representatives. But in so doing, they were killed, they were maimed, and I think the preacher for the day gave us some wonderful statistics back according to the Kenya Human Rights Commission. And we are saying that this country belongs to all of us. And we know that the future will stand bright if at this critical time when the country is at a crossroads, Kenyans hold together.
Na mwancho muligereri omo governor we county ya Nairobi Mosque Arthur Johnson Sakaja niga tugutera ala chinguma na niga bwatiranetibwe amo nabasae abanyate kwa bakororekana anse chipare bimbujo Nairobi annamono guturbania okorobekana kwa basae abale kugania obane bwa umworokia bwe gole ngomo proga Albert Ojwang yonyate kwa bagosiro kumabwa ya sinjari cyo tutukanu imeje yegetaseni kyabanyimbo gia Nairobi ase gusagia centro meyomoche o Nairobi.
I have never used violence to gain power, and I never will. My record speaks for itself. These accusations are not only false, they are a desperate attempt by certain well-known individuals whose political careers are marked by violence, by intimidation, by chaos, who have gone as far as to hire goons to come and infiltrate protests and say that I'm the one who sent them, so as to taint my name and to gain political mileage. They have cheapened the cause of our young people. Fellow Kenyans, let us not be hoodwinked. Some have even gone as far as giving them county paraphernalia to say that they work for the county government or that they are my supporters. Nothing is further from the truth. I urge you, Nairobians, not to be deceived. Let us not allow rogue politicians to hijack serious matters for selfish gain. The recent and tragic events, including the injuring of many, mugging, the shooting of the trader Boniface Kariuki, demand justice, not sideshows or distraction. Shifting the focus to unverified claims against me is not only dishonest, it dishonors the victims, the business owners who are counting losses in the millions, the people who have lost loved ones, and the people of Nairobi. I urge the relevant authorities to conduct thorough investigations and bring these individuals to justice. As leaders, we must operate strictly within the bounds of the law, with restraint, professionalism, and an unwavering respect for human rights. To every Nairobian, I assure you, my office remains open, transparent, and committed to serving you. Do not fall for this politics. It is like what has happened before many times, where people are given t-shirts and colors of opponents to act in a certain way to make the opponent look bad. It is too simple, too simplistic for our minds. As a governor, I remain committed to the rights of those who protest, as I have shown in the past. We have given safe passage, where we were given ambulances, provided health facilities, provided even venues for the concert of peace, because we believe in that right. But we must condemn those who seek to take advantage of legitimate protests to incite violence and destabilize our city. Criminal elements to hijack our democratic space. I urge all Kenyans and the people of Nairobi to reject violence and criminal behavior as they take to the streets this coming week. I have spoken to the command of the police to assure peaceful demonstrators that they will be protected as they express their rights.
Na omokonyi bomuraibu ense mokoro Mosquecha Fred Rigathi Gachagua oyu boigo ore omuraibu kiama gia Democracy for Citizens Party DCP nigo agenderete kwa mochia muraibu ense Mosque William Samoei Ruto asitukolia lero nyarakobaga kwa mochia singwana chiae chiko matebabu na ere Gachagua nigare omonto bwegesaku.
You know, according to the wisdom of William Ruto, yeye na Raila wakishikana, that is national cohesion and national unity. Rigathi Gachagua akishikana na Matiang'i na Kalonzo na Wamalwa na Malala na Seki na kila mtu, hiyo ni ukabila. Anybody who is against him is a tribalist. According to William Ruto, national unity is to belong to his choir of praise and worship. Once you have a different view, inakuwa wewe ni mkabila. So watu wetu tuungane, tushikanishe nyumba yetu. And I am a very proud Marian. Yeah? The people of Meru in the last 2 days has redeemed our dignity as a people. Ile aibu William Ruto ametuweka, mumetusafisha. Ile ametuangaisha, the persecution of our people, the disrespect, the humiliation, the way the Meru people have conducted themselves in the last 2 days. My brothers and sisters, from the land of my mother, you have redeemed the dignity of our community, and I remain forever grateful and indebted to you as a people of Meru.
Omo nogaraibu bunge nene omo sike Moses Masika Wetangula niganya kabaga kubolia abarai konyara kaba hagutwara basi amasikani nemono chinga kibaganda ko Irani na kongusana na gesiasa Mosike Wetangula nigale gukwana yuo chinsemo chia Bungoma chinga gekerana ase ibada ye kanta yamo ime ye county ya Bungoma.
Nchi yetu imekuwa na changamoto na Father amesema tuombe amani. Kwa sababu amani haina alternative in life. Tuombea amani, nchi yetu iwe na amani, tuheshimiane. Hata wale viongozi wenye wanaingia upinzani, tunawaambia wapunguze lugha chafu na lugha ya matusi. We can disagree but with respect. We can compete but with respect. The fact that I'm competing with you does not make you a bad person. We can all be good people trying to do the same thing differently. Na hiyo ndio tunaomba viongozi wa kisiasa. Hao watoto tunaguza wanaangalia vile tuna behave kama viongozi. Kama sisi tunatusianana hadharani maneno chafu, maneno ambayo haistahili kutamkwa na mtu mzima, we are teaching our children bad manners. And we must change. So tuombee viongozi. Tuombee viongozi hata wale wanataka kuwa viongozi wa nchi. Leta sera zenu. Usiwe tu ukisimama unauliza wewe unataka kufanyia nini Kenya Kasongo? Wewe unataka kufanyia nini Kenya one term? Wewe unataka kufanyia nini Kenya Ruto must go? That is not a policy. The policy is what you want to do differently from whoever is there is doing. Ndio watu waseme kama wewe alifanya hii vizuri, huyu ataweza kufanya vizuri zaidi. Na waomba wananchi pia mjiandikishe katika mfumo wa SHA wa matibabu. Ulipoanza watu walikuwa wanasema maneno mengi sana. Mimi kama spika kwa sababu ya mshahara yangu ninalipa kila mwezi shilingi 47,800. Huyu mbunge wenu analipa shilingi 32,000 kila mwezi. Lakini mimi na yeye tukiwa wagonjwa tuko na insurance ya bunge ambayo inatutibu. So hiyo pesa tunalipa yote kila mwezi ni ya kusaidia wewe mwananchi ambaye hauko kwa mshahara.
Omo wasiri wa madini omoske Ali Hassan Joho nigonya kwa gwesokia na kane kya buna sama tukale bosio na barachi ko baga kulge kiro kyo borai bwense moske Joho boigo niganya kwa baga kote bikoseka ko bolia bananchi utaibwatirania ase chisegi gosoko ngusana na kotabatungeti.
Nitawakumbusha tusipigane vita vya wenyewe, tusipigane vita vya wenyewe, wapigane vita vao. Sisi tupigane vyetu kwa kujipanga. Tumeelewana paka hapo? We will not be dragged into other people's battles. Mimi kama iko siku niliona kuna mpwani mara ya kwanza. Nilifikiria kama kuna mpwani aweza kuwa rais, ilikuwa kuna marehemu Karisa. Mara ya kwanza. Lakini mimi hiyo ndoto bado ninayo. Na nina imani iko siku bado hapa pwani kutazaa rais. Ama muelewe hiyo. Nataka munisikize, iko siku jimbo la Pwani litazaa rais wa taifa la Kenya. And we must not drag ourselves to fight other people's battles. Tumeelewana? Na wachungaji hapa watakwambia, wengine wakiota, wakilala wakiota, waona wazi. Siku moja watasikia Rais Hassan Sijui kama kakangu Mvuri anataka pia, lakini mimi nataka. Na kutaka kwangu ni kujipanga.
Na mwancho muligali omoraiwe kiama gya Democratic Action Party DAP omosike Eugene Wamaru nigo hamumachirie omoraiwe kiama gya ODM omosike Raila Amolo Odinga ase okwegwaterania nabo igo kwegerera omoroberi olio orenge bukukondisia egetigie chindege gochi ase company ya Adani egetigie chindege ya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport nigo kiaroberi ne serikali gochi kukondiswa gochi ase kiumbe kia Adani eliko nyarakaba gikokinia ebirengo byaye.
Father Alois Bet aliwawa kinyama kabisa. Father John Maina, a colleague wa father wetu hapa, alipatikana pia amewawa kinyama kabisa. Mwezi unaisha hadi sasa serikali haituambii mapadri wetu waliwawa na nani na ni kwa nini. Ndio sababu tukiwa hapa tunataka tuambie serikali hii, na jana tumemwona mzee wetu Raila Odinga akiwa kwenye ile kamati ya baraza la mawaziri. Mimi nilifikiria Mheshimiwa Raila akiwa kule ataambia serikali ukweli. Atetee vijana Gen Z waliowawa 2023 kwa maandamano ile ya Azimio. Hadi sasa hakuna askari ameshikwa. 2024 Gen Z wetu wamewawa wakifanya demonstration against Finance Bill 2024. Hadi sasa hakuna familia imekuwa compensated. I thought the Honorable Raila Odinga would be fighting for justice, for compensation for the young lives that were lost, for accountability. Hakuna askari hata moja ameshikwa. Badala bwana Raila atetee watoto wetu ambao bado wanawawa hadi sasa. Kijana Boniface Kariuki amewawa juzi on the streets of Nairobi. Na mimi nasikia badala ya kutetea Boniface Kariuki hajaongea hadi sasa. Anatetea mtu anaitwa Adani. Adani ambaye alikuwa amekuja through a corrupt deal kuchukua Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, kuchukua K-Truck. Yeye ndio hapo kwenye SHA. Tunasikia iko deal ingine kule Kenya Ports Authority. Anataka kununua ile, kunyang'anya ile port yetu. Badala atetee hayo, bwana Raila anakuja kutetea Adani bwana. Ningekuwa Leonard Mambo Mbotea ningeuliza, je, huyu ngwana?
Mwanjo muligirego kirabo no tokolera ekionga chinsa nyasenjera yogo kirano chani ngongoro kwaro ni ototo nyangiri kuransa mwe menyererio nigakoro kwa Vanessa Nyaboke na kwa kuransa ya transmission nigakoro kwa Fira Kariri twara buligirego buya Emeya Gatembe TV na ntokwaneria wotukobya.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie liso lyao chingaki ogoswasa yega kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tempo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yega babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate Dumerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabati liga nigo bokorengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyaraka bo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati yega ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyareka bagokwerera amabati yo akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asobwango edukeyega ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo muchurigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Silva Care ni nyagitari yekerero asumu cyubusungu ensema ya mwembe mbarbare nigekomo SDA asepare kurobusungu guce Kilgoris nigekurwa obugwenia asenchira yekerero asugutumia chimashine chekerero abwasibwa tabanyagitari bobwate obumanyi bwigoromono mbobwate inpatient gosechi ward na boigo outpatient abasaba roire bakubwenigwa na koira na gochianka mbobwate maternity yekerero yubwate chimashine Chikerero laboratory yekerero gose ase okorengwa kwibirengo bigoro ekerengo kyobo chinu nigo kirigoro asinya gitari ekobwanya gitari ndionsi asorgongoroiga boigombo bwate ensemo yokomana gose modern theater ensemo yukulingoria nobuwenya bwa maiso gose optical department abase bwate boigo eduka yibirore ase ebigori byonsi etani abu mbobwate boigo ensemo ya maino kose dental section yebwate chimashine ichekerero yobwate boigo pharmacy kose duka ya mariogo yebwate amma riogo 11p aliuraganirigwe gwetania 11 liguririabo neliansepi ngwanchira bale umurobelio osha kose bale bwate umurobelio osha na boigo nkurike bale umurobelio osha otarigwakanira kende gyonsi asamange bakire simya se number 0799747414 Silva Care Hospital afeyao nomogoko ito inchuo bono
Ibeno kikora wanomo MC Steve Arika nigeko baligane bonsi Jumatatu tariki 23 Nyugatano nalimo omwaka oyoiga igotingira rituko ryabatakanwa ensengima yani International Widows Day oyora kurekane imejigiti kibeno mission ewodi neya ibeno gochakira chinsa ibere Chamambia abakwareri ao chikwaya abanyangero n'abarayi mbabeo omugeni bwisiko no mu first lady we county ya Kisii Mama May kwamboka arate bwigo ababura kabonsi bahariganirwe minchweto okere guchingira Ababoraka International Widows Day, celebrating the remarkable strength, resiliency, and leadership of widows.
Omogusi igwa amaguliniga kilomoroka ase eduka ya Shah Ceramics igulere deformed bars TMT steel ordinary nails square tubes round furniture tubes black pipes black sheets round bars wire mesh egatibinto winde evinge tubasi namagulire niga ainsekigima asekire yuka ya Shah Ceramics tutarelero ikiwenyolere estokeye itaraera nigo tukutuka sinsa mchiricha kansu
Stemo Nugabest ni nyagitari ekukurwaria ase chinchira chikero kurwa chinsi cha Michael nigo bakurwa obubwenia bwabene asekera omurwaire abo asekera bakurwari with a lot of privacy okubwenigwa ayebweka asibitanda byabo bibwate obubwenia bwabene mbari gutomeka ntetere gustarko beto sindane yira kubekere chemical ndiyonse asomobere igwa nigo bakubwenia amarwire bunabono egetekyo mugongo nabo igo kwirania amaugabya abanyagitari babo nigo babwate obumanyi bwebirengo byechinse ecya Michael ekero bakurwa obubwenye bwabo nigo bakora n'ubwanchani obonene n'amaguri yabo nigo ari ayanse monokigima bagutoka ase nyumba ya Umoja Complex third floor eyo yarenge Family Bank enkuro yere angene Cooperative Bank asamange bakera simyase namba 0741903162 0758066164
Inche asamarieta ngoroku Agnes Mora omonyagitari omonene Ostemo Nugabest nkoirali bageri mwensi abagusi kubaligania ase Stemo Nugabest aiga Stemo Nugabest etokobwenia ase gotumia chi machine chekerero igo bali mwensi mwachandikira asama rwaire ao twabaliganiri tobae obobwenia bwekerero inchu mwensi togokera obobweni bwaito aiga Stemo Nugabest biyamon
ajirira gocha Stemo Nugabest abo ase uranyore obokoreri bwigoromono Gotera chinkureta erioki waitiro ne chingake gotumeka chinko chinyinga asomorero omosinine boygo byaitiro ne chingake bono Alpha Rice Brackets na lyuri chiburiao ase okorosia endagera na boygo gwata asibigori byonsi ni chiamate chonsi Alpha Rice na makara ao nigo arosirie ne teknolojia yekerero tabuatirioki no nyenerika agotumeka kemono nende akoira egeka kujya umuriro ene kebemberi diko lidiaye neligiya amakara ega nigo agokeania kuna chukwemete yeito wose deforestation boigo obuyabono nobo ogokeania gokonyora kwendwali ya kansa Alpha Rice Brackets na bogutumeka ase chioteri chinyagitari chinka chiskuru na boigo nabugusamba inyama tutarere asumu chubusungu na bagutwakere isimi ase namba 0111502030 Alpha Rice Brackets naye twanchete
Eduka ya Obomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited